people like myself come out of their shell more, finally getting the thoughts that they've had in their head on paper and making their voices be heard.
Amplified is the opportunity for young people who live in and around Brighton and Hove to tell their stories in a public forum.
I can't spend my life in my mind wishing that I was someone else.
We take a diverse group of young people from all sorts of different backgrounds and just get them to dig into what their story is, what the world looks like to them, what it is to live in their shoes.
Didn't like the way I look, so always seem to dress up. Now I'm 17 and I'm Eastbourne best dresser. I'm living my life properly and the people call me Mezza, but I have to make sure I don't crack under pressure.
My performance is about my experience with having gone to an all-girls school and then realising that I was transgender and not a girl, which may not be something that a lot of people can identify with. However, I know there are different parts of it that a lot of different people can relate to.
It took me 2 years after that to begin to come out to people and tell people who I was.
We help them with words to shape 5-minute long pieces that they then share with an audience. So you get little nuggets of different people's lives, just a view of what it's like to be young today.
I didn't know what queer was until I met a man who called himself Rev in year 8. Didn't know you could question and choose who you want to be. Didn't travel outside a whitewashed town until a decade of my life passed. That was a misery.
It allows me personally to be vulnerable, to not be made fun of. It sounds like the bare minimum, but unfortunately, the bare minimum like that isn't always guaranteed.
This is the 3rd year that we've done it now through Little Green Pig, and every year I'm taken aback by how different and unique the stories are.
What is always joyous is that a disparate group come together and they sit there on the first day and they're not quite sure of each other and they're checking each other out and going, are you my friend, am I safe saying this in front of you, and how do I feel? And then you see them working together and growing in confidence, and then these stories emerge and you go, here you are standing up in front of this group saying things. And so that experience always feels a real privilege.
Welcome to Amplified. It's a young writers collective that is part of a YouTube confessional and part mini TED Talk, an opportunity to share and hear some of the amazing and diverse stories of young people across Sussex. Please, can you make a massive round of applause for the one, for the only, Ola!
I know when I started to dream, I needed validation from fictional characters to feel good about myself. I still do, but it never really worked because the people in my head liked the people that I wanted to be, not me.
I can just imagine that it's going to be amazing, no matter how the performance actually ends up going.
Now, it took 2 years for me to come out to some of the most supportive friends and family that I could have asked for. And 2 years on from that, I'm only just starting to accept that what I did was okay. Because leaving behind something that you've worked for and that is a major part of your identity is painful. And it's painful also to watch others live out the dream that you've had since you were young.
I have come out 5 times. Been the L, the G, the B, the T, and the plus. I used to be so scared of being wrong about my identity, but it's okay. Gender and sexuality is fluid, and it can take years to find and label yourself, and not knowing is okay too.
I wanted to join Amplified because, most importantly, I wanted to meet some new people, and I also wanted to step out of my comfort zone in terms of performing in front of a big audience, because I've never done that before.
Going back to school has a whole different meaning when it's not taking place in your mother tongue and far away from home, family, and friends. You know, when coming here, I needed to pack my whole life into 2 suitcases, and that was just stressful by itself.
To have mentors that support you and other participants to be really supportive of you and give you that support, that it just really, really helps. I know I keep saying support, but it is so key with this project, because the people that come in, the participants, we're all already talented, but we just need someone to give us that reassurance that, hey, you are talented and you can do this, and I'm going to give you more resources to help you with that.
I'd like to think of myself in the next few years. Even the future still really scares me, but looking back at this moment again with pride, I'll still most likely be anxious and scared and nervous, but I'll still be me, for I have become the moon that guides me.
Thank you so much. Keep clapping for Emma.
I think for young people, it's really important to feel that your voice counts. I think through telling our stories, we claim our place in the world. We go, what I think, what I feel, who I am, this is important. And through the process of writing, we often discover those things. And then through the process of standing up and sharing those words, we own them and we own the power that we have. And then that means we walk through life a little bit taller, a little bit more, yeah, do you know what? I am here and I count and I have importance.